I remember the first time when I came through the entrance and the walkway, you just unconsciously, I'm just drawn to the courtyard, which is like really the heart of the entire house. The fact that we are on a very squarish plot, I think, which is very rare among all the GCBs I've seen, it actually helps to accentuate and magnifies the feel of space. And this is of course helped by the natural elevation, and from where I'm standing now, there's a lot of natural breeze and the views are just beautiful. Some big houses intimidates, but this one actually links each part with very intimate walkways, trees and landscaping. A big space like this may make one think of, grand parties, banquets, which of course the owners have held before. But ultimately, what the owners wanted was just abundant space for the children to interact, play, pursue their hobbies, all within the sight of their parents. The owners had this dream of building their idyllic vacation home, and this courtyard just makes this vision comes alive.
I've seen a number of GCB, but this really impressed me in terms of design and quality. Owner himself is a very well-organized person, and he focused a lot of attention to detailing and designing. It's functional design that actually separate this elevated land into a few different parts. You've got your family interaction area and your leisure area, and in case you are hosting a party, you have a space to park up to 15 cars or more. The organized layout and the careful position of every single plant that maximize on the spaciousness and the purpose of each designated area. Another quality details is the choice of quality material used, such as the granite sandstone, tall columns, natural timber, sculptured planters, and white glass panels. The blend of these superior materials and the optimized layout make this a classic look that will stand the test of time.
I've learned from many GCB owners, one good habit that they possess is to take early morning stroll, and I've since picked up this hobby. So the one thing I like most about this GCB location is proximity to nature. It's so close to the famous Old Holland Road, the largest open green area that Bukit Timah has to offer. It's also within minutes walk to the rail corridor, Clementi Forest, and the Holland Green Linear Park that you can do your evening exercise. Most owners will want their privacy and accessibility at the same time, but it's difficult to strike a balance. But not for this house. For me, it's a 1-minute drive away from main Bukit Timah Road. You know you are in an exclusive enclave when you have less than 20 neighbors living around you. Location, location, location. More often than not, it's oversaid. But like this family, once you have found a location that you like, you never move out of it.
The living and dining area is the most important place in the house for me because that's where I spend most of my time with my children over meals. The owners of this house have the same priority. That's why they've designed this dining area to cater to 20 persons so that they can have a big family gathering. They've also designed it to be very cozy so that everybody can enjoy a nice ambiance. And there's lots of natural ventilation so that they can enjoy a little bit of the indoor and outdoor and have a nice time together. Towards the back of the room, there is a bar counter for a less formal setting to catch up over tea time, over breakfast with their children. I love the living space in this house because it's wide and big and it's columnless. That gives a big space for the owners to arrange their furniture the way they love it. And the most important thing is you can have children running all over the place in that expanse of space without worrying about them falling down.
What I like about this house is actually the linkway that connects the 4 rooms and the master bedroom. The master bedroom is actually tucked at one corner of the house. Once you step out of it itself, it connects you between you and everyone in the house. Because standing from that corner or from that viewpoint itself, I could actually see the activities that's happening around the house. I can observe the kids that is actually playing with their friends in the pool. So that is the amazing thing about this house that I like about. The bathroom actually is created in such a way that it gives me the feels that I'm actually in the resort perpetually 365 days a year. I can relax after a day of busy work itself in the bathtub, enjoy the ambience, and at the same time, I can chill. I don't have to be really traveling, but I can still get the kind of feeling like I'm in a holiday somewhere in Bali.
What I love about this house is it has a separate annex dedicated solely for leisure and entertainment. Among the many GCBs we've seen, not many of the houses actually has a separate annex just for entertainment, and this is what makes this house really unique. I'm sure the owners of this house must have had lots of guests, friends, or even colleagues over during the festive season or the weekends. Now, I could imagine that they must have had these functions even to the wee hours of the morning. It's separated from the main house. What I really like about it is your family members, the rest of your family can still enjoy their private space, their serenity. They will not be disturbed. They can really have their own space and enjoy their own fun time here. And the parents can be rest assured that they are well looked after because they are within the confines and safety of their house. What's so unique about this house is also the fact that it's not an exclusive space just meant for the family to enjoy alone. You can see that it's really a home meant for inviting your friends, your guests, your colleagues over to enjoy this lovely space together with them.
Every GCB may be vastly different from one another, and we may have fallen in love with different houses in the past. But for once, our hearts are united in this beautiful creation. To us, the owners have not just built a stunning tropical paradise, but have also created a legacy to leave behind for generations to come.